In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect frames in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link screens together, set up interactions, and preview a smooth, clickable prototype that clearly communicates your design. Start by opening your design in Figma so you are looking at the frames you want to connect. Make sure the frames represent the screens or states you plan to move between. Like a home screen and a details screen, having them visible on the canvas will make creating and reviewing connections faster. Next, switch to prototype mode. Look to the right sidebar and click the Prototype tab. This changes the interface from designing visuals to defining interactions. So you'll see the tools you need to wire things up. If you don't see the tab, expand the sidebar so the prototype controls are visible. Now create your connections. Hover over a button, an object, or even the entire frame until you see a small blue node appear on the right edge. Click that blue node and drag the blue line to the destination frame you want to navigate to. You can connect from an individual element like a button that moves to a new screen, or from the whole frame if you want the entire screen to be interactive. If you misplace a connection, just select the noodle and remove it. Then drag again. When the connection is made, configure the details in the interaction panel. Choose a trigger that matches the user action you are simulating. Click for tapping or clicking a button, hover for quick previews, or after delay to automate a transition after a set time. Then pick the action. Use Navigate to when you are moving from one screen to another, or Open Overlay when you are showing a modal or drop down above the current screen. This is where you define how the prototype behaves. After that, adjust your animations. Select a transition effect like Instant for no animation, Dissolve for a subtle fade, or Smart Animate for smooth motion based on matching layers between frames. If you use Smart Animate, keep layer names and structure consistent so elements move as expected. You can also fine-tune easing and duration to control the feel of the transition. Now click Preview to see the connected frames. Use the Play button in the top right to open your prototype. Then interact with it to confirm the triggers, actions, and animations feel right. If something's off, return to the interaction settings and tweak until it matches your intent. That's it. Thanks for watching.